Hi everyone, today I want to tell you about a topic, how to make your handbag magnet to money in 2021. The money magnet handbag is a potion feng shui tool for attracting abundance, money, and prosperity. So this means that you is not only for keeping your coins, your money, or your accessories. The money magnet handbag can help you to attract money and keep the ever-flowing energy of wealth. Here is a list of things which have been placed in money magnet handbag for your prosperity. Let's check it out. Circle mirror. It emulates harmony, balance, and inflow of money. Mirror multiply energy of money. Never leave mirror inside empty wallet because then you multiply the options of money. Fake $100 bill. Replace it with real $100 note. Do not use this money. 3 money stones. Citrine gold as yellow as gold. These stones represent abundance and attracting wealth, prosperity, success, both in money and personal relationship. However, it is especially useful for business and sales processes, allowing to attract money, helping to visualize it properly. Pyrite. More than any gem, pyrite is most recognized as the stone of money and wealth. It helps to improve economic security. Amethyst. Its main function is to transmute the negative thoughts into positive ones. So you will be cleaned of negative energies and attract to achieve economic prosperity that you need and deserve. So it could help you move from poverty to wealth. 3 crystal. When these 3 crystals placed on the silver plate and 3 stones, citrine gold, pyrite, and amethyst come together, they generate energy of wealth. Spells are placed for a picture of your loved ones. Carrying a picture of your family or good friends in your money magnet handbag makes you positive and happy. It helps spread a good aura around you. 3 feng shui coins. They are a symbol of luck and prosperity. These 3 coins made from bronze are tied together with red ribbon to empower its energy. Size and type of money magnet handbag. It is best to long and strip type of handbag that you do not have to fold the nose in order to put it in. It helps to enhance wealth luck. Color. The color of money magnet is red because red represents wealth and abundance. Important note, though money is just energy, many of us struggle to align with it. Make sure to keep your money magnet handbag safely in a fit place in your house. Every time you are back from work or an outing, clear out the clutter. Stop. Use your money magnet handbag when you get damaged and replace it with a new one without any further delay. Okay, that's all. If you see this is good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you anytime.